Hi YouTubers and Hoover Files. This is my 1958 Hoover Model 31 that my mother had. Been using it for years. She runs like a top. Had it restored, found another bag with her. Put that back in. It has the Model 31 hood that melted on one side. So typical of the Model 31s. Let's see if I can show you something a little bit more with it. It should say Model 31 right here on the bottom part of it. Had new wheels put on because the other wheels were all shot. Some idiot in a vacuum store put those on for me and I didn't ask him to. So it runs like a top, has 2 speeds. Here we go. Purrs like a kitten. I'll suck any Dyson they have today. Type C tag. Some of these re-brushed. The motor brush is redone. Guys, the Hoover store still lasts another 40 years. So I'll have that tune up. Maybe 20 years. One of the best features about a Hoover Convertible is the fact that you can go under the bed with it like this. Unlike the Elites that didn't bend down this far. You can under furniture. Say you wanted to put the attachments on, all you have to do is slide it in here. It's a great model. In order to do different carpet heights, you press down. And switch to high and low position. It's easier. Having the wheels back into it, oiled up on a Hoover Convertible, makes it so much easier to push. That's all I'm doing. My 85-year-old mother would use this once in a while and I leave that home to take care of her before she died. It still has the Hoover thing in the back. To replace some bags right down to the old Hoover. And that's my Hoover Convertible, Model 31 from 1958. The other model that was more expensive had a pink look to it, a headlight, it had a wraparound thing that was pink. And one of the best features about this, you can hoover with your handle right there, and you can do pet hair on sofas and chairs and everything like that.